Hi and welcome to this instructional video. In this video I'm going to show you how to add items to a support contract. Navigate to Workshop, Support Maintenance, then to Contract Maintenance. Enter or select the appropriate support contract number in the contract number text box. Start by inserting the new item. Select the first open line in the serial number column and press Insert on your keyboard. Check that the Contract Maintenance Add Item window has appeared. Now you can add the item information. Enter the serial number of the item in the serial number text box. Enter a description of the item in the description text box. Enter the serial number of the item that this item is part of in the parent text box if applicable. Set whether the item is decommissioned or not in the decommissioned text box. Enter the item's category in the category text box if applicable. Enter the item number in the item number text box if applicable. Change the contract start date in the contract start text box. Change the contract expiry date in the contract expiry text box. Enter the item's asset number in the asset number text box if applicable. Enter the item's contract type in the contract type text box. Enter a remark for the item in the remark text box if applicable. Enter the item's purchase date in the purchase date text box if applicable. Enter the item's warranty expiry date in the warranty expiry text box if applicable. Enter the service start date in the service start text box. Enter the number of service days in the service days text box. Enter the name of the original supplier in the supplier text box if applicable. Enter the original supplier's invoice number in the supplier invoice text box if applicable. Enter the customer's cost centers in the cost centers text boxes if applicable. Enter the customer account number in the sub-account text box if the item is subletted. Enter the contact person's name in the contact text box. Enter the contact person's telephone number in the tell text box. Enter the item's physical location in the location text box. Now you can move on to adding the billing information. Click the Billing Info tab. Set whether to generate invoices for the item in the invoice text box. Enter or select the location that invoices should be included in the invoice location text box. Enter or select the customer account for the invoices in the invoice account text box. Enter or select the sales rep code for the invoice in the rep code text box. Enter the monthly rate for rate type 1 in the monthly rate 1 text box. Enter or select the item number to be used for monthly charges for rate type 1 on invoices in the item number text box. Enter the monthly rate for rate type 2 in the monthly rate 2 text box if applicable. Enter or select the item number to be used for monthly charges for rate type 2 on the invoices in the item number text box if applicable. Repeat for all text boxes where applicable. Enter the email address to send the invoices to in the email address text box. Enter the email address to send the meter reading vouchers to in the email readings text box. Enter the escalation percentage of the item in the escalation percentage text box if applicable. Enter the escalation month of the item in the escalation month text box if applicable. Now you can start with adding the counter information. Click the Counter 1 tab. Enter the counter's description in the description text box. Enter the counter type in the counter type text box. Enter the validation quantity in the validation quantity text box. Enter the opening meter reading in the opening quantity text box. Enter the yield quantity in the yield quantity text box. Now you can add the unit rates for rate type 1. Enter or select the item number to be used for the monthly charges in the item number text box. Enter the unit rate for level 1 in the unit rate 1 text box. Enter the quantity for level 1 in the quantity text box next to the unit rate 1 text box. Repeat for levels 2 to 5 if applicable. Add the unit rates for rate type 2 if applicable. Enter or select the item number to be used for the monthly charges in the item number text box. Enter the unit rate for level 1 in the unit rate 1 text box if applicable. Enter the quantity for level 1 in the quantity text box next to the unit rate 1 text box if applicable. Repeat for levels 2 to 5 where applicable. You can repeat this process for the rest of the counters. Once you're done, save the item by clicking the Accept button. Click the Accept button again to save the changes to the support contract. Print the contract by specifying the print options and clicking the OK button, or click the Cancel button to close the window. And that's how you add an item to a support contract. Thank you for watching and happy accounting.